Yes, sir. What's up, my YouTube and my YouTube editors?
3, 2, 1.
Squad. Hey, man. Today it's gonna be a great day. Cause like I've been telling y'all, man, gonna get the you know what I'm saying, underbody kit put on. See if I can really take that thing around there like that, like so, without my hand in the way. Yeah, so gonna get that put on around the boots. And I ain't got nothing but a little time, man. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got though. You know what I'm saying? But Impala, you know what to do. Hit him with that cold start,
Warning.
right? Yes, shout out to my man Harry. Well, that thing was quite epic, you know. Cold start. Show y'all what I got right quick. Hold on, be right back. Yes, sir. Man, when I tell y'all, man, I'm bringing something to y'all, man. I keep it 100. You know what I'm saying? Got an appointment. About to go get that done. Y'all see that right there? Underbody light kit. You know what I'm saying? SMND, LED. One single color. You already know what color it is. In case you didn't know, shout out to my cousin. Got a video coming for him with him Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it all the way a thou wow with y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all my YouTubers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all my subscribers, man. And I'm doing this for y'all and me. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. And just take a look at the thing, man. Just take a look at my baby. You know what I'm saying? Like tall guy Mr. Organic say, man, believe in yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put faith in yourself. You don't put faith in yourself, man, and ain't no need of doing it. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't the richest, man. I ain't got money like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even sitting on that. Real talk. But hey, putting faith in myself, man, and gotta take a leap, man. Gotta take a leap, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so without further ado, man, by the time I come back on, I'll be at my man's spot, getting right. Catch y'all there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As y'all see, man, I'm here at the place to be. About to get this underbody light kit put on. Y'all see it in the remote. Got it in the front seat, rolled down with me. Yes, sir. So, without further ado, man, shout out to Premier Sounds. You know what I'm saying? Making it all happen for me and stuff. Shout out to him. So he zoom in for y'all. Let's be sure to hit him up there. Matter of fact, that's the man right there. The man with the plan. Right there. Yes, sir. So let's get into it.
I'll call you and get you scheduled.
Man's helping out a customer right now, but hey, look, man,
that'll tell me, hey, they
if y'all want to get y'all windows tinted,
we had to switch to that,
you know what I'm saying, with that good film on there.
They have another.
Come on down, Premier Auto Sign.
The sub would be the only thing that
you know what I'm saying, get that good tint.
I'll just have to find an
Even got
alternative.
the
Once I know everything's available,
chart to break it down for y'all.
We can move forward. Because the worst case scenario is
Yes,
switch to the non-amplified or
yes,
speaker and then a truck box, which kind of makes it the same.
Also, if y'all need some systems, stereo sound.
Yeah, once I know for sure everything's available,
got all that too.
So before the end of the week, you'll hear from me to schedule.
Yeah,
because I
you
feel
right on
comfortable enough. Now, if I was 3 or 4 days
You know
out,
what I'm
I'd
saying?
want
And got a channel amps and stuff in the back. Like I say,
the following week.
y'all see what it comes to in kind of cold. Premier Auto Sounds.
Be here and ready for you. All right. Okay.
Flex film.
All right.
Yes,
You got it,
sir.
guys. Take
All
care,
right,
man.
I'll talk to you
So-
later, all right?
Yeah, man.
Be sure.
Thanks for your help.
Y'all want
Thank you.
some? Come on down. Oh yeah, I couldn't show y'all the roller tent because the customers was there at the time, but as y'all see, man, that's that roller tent right there, man. Got the platinum type mirror type tent right there at the bottom of the moop right there. You know what I'm saying? Then got the truck oil and stuff like that at the top of the moop. Focus for me, baby. Focus, camera. There you go. And like I say, let's show you what them percentages looking like 70%. But that's on that mirror tent. You know what I'm saying? Real nice and light. Then it goes down. Further down in percentage you go, the darker it gets. Just let y'all know out there who don't know about tent. The lower percentage of tent, as you can see over there, the 5% over there on the move, right there. That's real dark. It's extra dark. It's almost like limo tent type dark. Yes. And man, this wagon right here, man, that mud sounds good, crisp and clear. I heard it. I didn't want to put it on here because copyright, you know what I'm saying? Which something about probably what I got going on now, but I'm trying to talk over it, let y'all see what's going on in Premier Auto Sounds, man. Far as you can see, man, the man do it all. Yes, sir. All right, she on her way going back, y'all.
And you know what's funny?
Let me
Every
take the
time I
zoom
tell
off.
somebody it might happen, it doesn't. And if I don't say nothing, it does.
Yeah,
So I think just saying it helps it not break.
I understand.
See you, bye.
Hey, Vic, I got as you see, the box in the front there. So, question. Two questions. First question is there a possibility that you can leave it on once the car is off? I mean, you know what I'm saying, the switch, cut the switch,
Yeah.
switch on and like.
Is it Bluetooth controlled or does it have a box?
It has a box.
Okay,
I
so I'll
believe.
just wire the box to power, and then you can control it via the box, and then just shut it off when you want to shut it off.
Okay. Then I also think it's supposed to go to the music too.
Yeah, it probably has. Well, the box.
It's
Usually
got
the
like
way
a
it goes is
remote.
the box has a little. The box has a little microphone.
Right.
So it's just noise, not necessarily music, just noise. It goes to noise.
Okay. And it's got a remote to it too, though. It's like when you did my Audi that time.
Okay.
It's the same. It should be the same setup and stuff.
Yeah.
Also, on the front here, I don't know how close you can get it, the light, because I know it's not like a flare type shine. I think it's like straight down. But
Yeah.
I was wondering if maybe like this bottom part of the grill could like glow along with the way it's made.
The problem is I can put it inside the grill,
Yeah,
and it'll light up in the grill, but
it won't shine on
it
the
won't
ground.
shine on the ground. If I put it on the ground, it's going to be down, so it won't shine up in the grill. So you'll have to do an additional piece.
Yeah.
An additional piece in order for it to shine in both places.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'd rather for it to shine on the ground then, you know what I'm saying? So it won't be looking kind of
Yeah, like
retarded.
It's missing something.
Yeah.
'Cause if
Yeah.
you don't, it looks like it's missing something.
Right, yeah. It's like, dang, your grill glowing, but where your bottom part? Yeah, so yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got you, man.
All right. That V6 power, baby. Yes, sir.
What?
CLC got it up there.
It was just ultra dirty, and then I worry about
Man, he already
We're doing
operating.
get down the film, and then you had to warranty it out
Inside
and do it
there.
again.
yeah, what the census is.
Yeah,
gonna be.
it's
If it
going
doesn't come out
down,
clean,
baby.
What do I gotta worry about?
Yes, sir. Got it done. Let's see what we got here. On the side. I don't forgot how to do it myself. On my Audi.
But yeah, so the boxes, the boxes in there, it's tucked away as good as it can be.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna be
Super clean.
hitting on your leg or anything like that.
Yeah, cause that would be me right there. Boom. Ah.
Yeah, especially with the big ass feet. So you're good. This still opens. Still does what it's supposed to.
Oh, that's highly monumental right there, man. Yes, sir. Y'all can't see it right now because, of course, daytime. But like I say, man, get up out of there for the copyright. But stay tuned to tonight's video, man. Show you, as y'all seen, a little bit of things. We're trying to get it function right, man. But be sure, man, to tell people about me. You know what I'm saying? JP Chevy. Tell your brother, your uncle, your cousin, your daddy, your sister's sister. Tell anybody about me, you know what I'm saying? Doing big things, 2020 and up, 2020 and beyond, man. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, be sure to comment, and like I say, man, be sure to share.